I came across a Volatility 75 strategy on YouTube. The strategy uses Bollinger Band and RSI. Okay, so whereby when any of the candlestick touches the upper or lower Bollinger Band, then the RSI also, you would look at the RSI if it's in the oversold or overbought region. So most of the time when you experience setups like that, you will be advised to take a reversal, whereby if it's in the oversold region and the RSI is also below, let's say 30, then you're supposed to take a trade to buy because the market will soon reverse. So, but what that strategy showed was that you still continue to trade, all right, in that trend. So that was what I observed. So I actually did a back test of that strategy back towards December and November 2025, and the result I saw was kind of impressive. So what I decided to do was that I was able to code the strategy into an EA, all right, and I started running that EA since on the 2nd of January. Okay, today being Friday makes it exactly 1 week that I built and used the EA. So it's on my VPS. So when I checked it today, I saw the result, and though it's still on the demo account because it's a new strategy that I came across. But from what I saw, the result, I want to show you guys and just to let you guys observe it, because what I've decided to do is I want to run it. I want to leave it for another 1 week to run, for the trading to run. If by this time next week, which is going to be exactly 2 weeks, if I see that the result is still impressive to me, which I will show you now, then I will now go on a live account, which I will show you guys on the channel. So the strategy is totally automated. It's an EA system that I built. So what you are seeing here now, there's an ongoing trade that you are seeing here. Is based on this EA that plays the trade on the setup, and it trades on Volatility 75 on the 5 minutes time frame. I just want to quickly do it on my phone. I would have showed you on my laptop for you to see the EA setup and the settings and the magic number, whatever. But I just want to show you on my phone just for you to see how it has been trading. Though, like I said, it's on a demo account, but I know that there's a lot of difference between trading on demo and live. But just for a start, if I go to my history here, okay, so you can see this is my history. Okay, this are actually demo account history, so I'm not really, it's just, I just want to show you from when I started using the EA, which was on the 2nd of January. If I come here, just take the custom period, okay, 2nd of January, which is till today, then this part is just Volatility 75 index. So these are the trades that the EA has taken for me. All the trades you are seeing here, they are totally run by the EA. And you can see the first day that is the EA started trading on the 2nd of January. It was a Friday evening, and Volatility 75 index. Okay, so I just want to show you, and it uses a fixed lot size. Okay, I actually made it to use a fixed lot size of as low as 0.03, because my plan is, if the strategy works out just as I saw it on the back test. I told you I did a back test December and November 2025. That's like 2 months back test. I just kept on observing different setup on my charts in the previous months. So I saw that, okay, yeah, I'm kind of impressed with the result I got because of the oversold and overbought. So it's like a trend. It's a trend following strategy on Volatility 75. All right, and these are the trades that I've taken so far by the EA. It traded today, and you can see, okay, sometimes it make losses a lot of time. Okay, so what I did was there was a point in time that around this time, there was time that the losses were kind of getting much, though the losses are not so big because I use a very tight stop loss. Then the take profit, because the year we set stop loss and take profit, there is no manual interference. All the trades you are seeing here are run by the year. So the stop loss is very, very tight, but the take profit is, like, I think I set it to 1 to 3 weeks to return. So you can see there are trades that I made $19. Like today, there's a trade I made $23, and you can see that the highest loss I got from a losing trade is -7, -5, like that. But there are trades I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 7 losses in a row. So most of these losses, they came due to ranging, when the market was ranging or flat, noisy. So within this week, I think that was on Monday or Tuesday, there was another custom indicator I saw on the MQF5. I added it to the EA. So that indicator managed to help me to filter out some of the ranging period. So the results, you can see the results after exactly 1 week. I've gotten $57 in profit, and I intend to use this lot size. I intend to use it on a $100 account balance. You can see it's just 0.03. That's the lot size, which a $100 margin or account balance will conveniently undo, especially when volatility 75 on Deriv. The leverage is 1 to 1,000 if you know about leverage stuffs. So this is the profit so far. It's just 1 week. I know it's very short, but what I intend to do is I want to trade exactly another 1 week. So by this time next week Friday, I'll look at the results. I can do another video for you guys to see on the channel. Then after, at that point, if I see that my profit has increased, it must increase. I'm looking like maybe possibly it can give me another at least $40. Then at that point, I will now go for a live account trading with $100. Then also I will now show you guys the full details of the strategy. So by next week, if everything goes well, I'll show you the setup and everything, how the trade work, how the setup work, which you can actually trade manually. It can be traded manually. Okay, so it's just an EA that I decide to set it up in an EA. So guys, so please stay tuned on the channel. If you are new on the channel and you'll be interested to see the second part of the tutorial of this EA performance, then just hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on it when I post it by next week. So thank you for your time, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.